Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you on how you can count black or empty cells within your data table. Now, as you can see within this data table, we have empty cells or blacks in this table. Sometimes you might have larger data table compared to this. So for you to be able to count the blacks you have in your data table, you use the count black. Now, outside your data table, click on an empty cell and type count black. This. Double click on it and select the range of the cell you want to count the black. Then enter. Here in this data table, we have 10 empty cells or blacks within this table. Now have a chart with the number you have on the flyer for consultancy, training, and certification on tech professional courses. Thank you.